How to add layer animations to your sliders easily. Layer animations can bring your website to life. And with Slider Revolution, adding them is easier than ever. You don't need to write a single line of code. Everything is visually accessible through the timeline editor. First, think about what type of effect you want. Maybe a text layer fades in, or an image slides in from the side. Once you've selected your layer, go to the Animation tab. Here, you can choose from presets like Fade, Zoom, Rotate, and Bounce. Every animation has an in and out transition, which means you can control how the element appears and disappears. Next, you can use the timeline view to fine-tune when your animation starts and ends. Drag the handles or adjust the exact time numerically. Want multiple layers animating in sequence? Just stagger them slightly in the timeline. This adds polish and professionalism to your slider. You'll also find options to set easing effects, which control the motion speed. Curve, like ease in or ease out for a natural feel, if you want your site to really stand out with these effects. Remember, the link to try Slider Revolution is in the description. It opens access to all these features and more. Don't overwhelm your slides with too many animations. Use them with purpose to draw attention to key messages. Balance is key. By using layer animations wisely, your site becomes not only more interactive, but also more visually appealing. With just a few minutes of practice, you'll be animating like a pro, and thanks to the visual interface, the whole process stays intuitive. Start experimenting today and give your site a dynamic new look.